Hey guys, it's Miss Kylie here. I just wanted to get on here and give you a short introduction of what we are going to be talking about the next time that you come to science class. I know that we all talk about the weather usually every day. We talk about if it's sunny, if it's rainy, if it's going to snow, if it's cold, if it's hot, all of those different things we talk about. And those all fall under the weather category. So what this lesson is going to be about is some different ways that we can determine how the weather is outside. Different ways that we can measure the conditions of the atmosphere. And so I wanted to give you the actual definition that our book gives us of weather, and it is what the air is like around you. So we know that that could be described in several different ways, as I just talked about. So two things that I want to talk to you about is the barometer, and that is what measures the pressure in the atmosphere. And if there's a lot of pressure in the atmosphere, that usually indicates that the weather will be changing pretty quick. And then I want to talk to you about the thermometer. And we use the thermometer to tell us what the temperature is outside. I know it's been really hot here lately, so our temperature has been ranging about between 85 and 90 degrees. So those are two weather tools that I want you to keep in your mind. And Mr. McCoy is going to discuss a couple other weather.
Hey guys, it's Mr. McCoy here. I'm here with Miss Noel. And Miss Kylie just introduced you guys to a couple of weather tools that we're going to be discussing in class. And I'm going to talk about a couple more weather tools. The first one is the rain gauge. The rain gauge is used to determine how much rain falls at any given time. It is something that you may have seen. You may have used one even before at your house. The other tool is an anemometer. Anemometer determines how fast the wind's blowing. So sometimes when storms come through and it's really windy outside, those are times where anemometers are really useful. What I want you to do next is I want you to try to recall sometime that you have seen or you have used a rain gauge. You can describe who used the rain gauge and how it was used, and you can put that into your science journal. The other thing I want you to do is also recall a time, maybe if you've seen an anemometer or you've used one. The other thing that we're going to do is with all these weather tools, we're going to have an open discussion in class, so you can talk about some of your own personal experiences and some times that you've seen a rain gauge or you've used one. So those are the things that we will be discussing in class. So I hope you study up on them real good, and I hope you're ready and excited to start talking about these different weather tools. This is Mr. McCoy and Miss Noel saying goodbye.